welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I know sobrang tagal simula nung huli kong upload. So that was 2 years ago when I was sharing to you guys about virtual assistant and when ako ay affiliated pa sa Cyberbacker, but now I am officially not working with them and I have a new company na pinagtatrabahuhan, but still I am a virtual assistant. And isa sa mga nagbago or what changed is that I'm happily married and also I have a child. I have a beautiful daughter and I'm a new mom. She's turning 10 months old. And also, syempre, yung channel natin is still about, i-share ko sa inyo ang mga naging journey ko as a VA and then other tips since this year, 2026, grabe yung naging competition ng mga VA sa online world. So, halos lahat ng tao gusto na lang mag-work from home, gusto na nilang mag-VA. So, there are some people na as in masasabi niyo na talaga na sobrang swerte kasi nakakuha sila ng premium clients or they have multiple clients. So, yun. Ako naman, since I'm a mom, ipinriority ko yung I have one client na kaya akong suportahan ng hindi mabigat ang aking workload dahil nga ako ay isang mom. And also, gusto ko rin i-share sa inyo ang aking little setup dito. And isa rin nga pala sa naging bunga ng aking pagiging VA sa loob ng ilang taon ay itong aking munting tahanan na siguro sa banda-banda dyan ay isi-share ko din sa inyo. But for now, eto muna tayo sa aking mini workstation. So, ayan, isi-share ko lang din sa inyo. Wait. Ayan. So, isa sa mga isi-share ko of course ay ang aking laptop. So, ayan, ito is Acer and magto 2 years na din siya sa akin because I upgraded from my other laptop which is Acer din. So, ayun, Acer user talaga ako. And then I have here also my clock. And then this monitor, this is a 24-inch Acer monitor again. So this is from my client. So ayan, nag-provide siya kasi nga daw, mahirap daw yung task ko if I am using just a laptop. And then of course, ang aking, what do you call this one? Vision board, or ang aking vision board ay ginawa ko na rin wallpaper. And I have another vision board here. So nakalagay dyan yung mga task na dapat kong gawin like monthly or weekly. And then nakalagay din dyan yung mga time zones na kailangan kong i-take note. And also of course our family picture para for inspiration. And of course ball pen and notebook and planner. So that are the things na lagi kong ginagamit dito sa aking workstation. And of course nga pala, I have this drawer. So may lock din to, yung unang drawer niya, may lock for personal belongings ko. And also I have the Jabra headset provided by the company. And also guys, pag mayroon kaming hiring, I will definitely share it to you guys. Ngayon meron naman, but still parang hindi pa siya, or it's available on our Facebook page. So I will also be sharing that to you guys. And also I will also be sharing to you guys some tools or yung mga bagong makakatulong sa inyo on how you would be VA kahit medyo late na siguro, or sa tingin nyo medyo late na like hindi ako techie, ganon, yung mga ganong rason, hindi ako techie, or like hindi ako marunong mag-English, yung mga ganong reason. If guys, if you really wanted to be a virtual assistant, you have to face your fears. And also isa siguro sa tips ko sa inyo kung gusto nyo talagang maging virtual assistant is practice your communication skills. So ako, kahit medyo laging mali yung grammars ko, I'll make sure naman na naiintindihan pa rin ako ng client ko kung ano yung gusto kong iparating sa kanila. So ayan, and always kahit nare-reject kayo kasi when you started, pag nag-start ka na maging virtual assistant, please be ready to face many rejections kasi sa sobrang taas na ng competition sa market. So kahit yung mga dati ng VA, nahihirapan na din silang mag-apply. Kasi nga sobrang dami ng VA and konti lang yung client. And the other clients right now is naglo-lowball na sila kasi there are people na ginagrab yung offers nila kahit mababa yung pay rate. So, ayun guys. So, that is also one thing that you have to consider na hindi lahat ng VA pumapaldo. Some are just, nasa ano lang tayo, katamtamang state ng pagiging virtual assistant. So, hindi porket BA tayo guys is ando na tayo lagi. Yung salary range natin is ando na. So, there are also, I will also be sharing to you guys some niche or kung ano yung mga in demand siguro ngayon. By the way, ako pala ay isang marketing VA sa aking client and administrative na din. So, ayun. Yun lang naman yung may share ko about my client. But he is very accommodating, napakabait, and madaling magsabi ng leave. Basta sobrang gaan. And dun sa company din namin, i-share ko din sa inyo yung mga perks. Like yung HMO namin, we have our HMO and then provided na rin yung government. So, sila yung nagbabayad ng aming SSS, pag-ibig, and everything. So, and dahil nga doon na sa Philippine-based yung company, parang nag-contradicting siya sa sinabi ko kanina, but registered din siya sa Philippines. So, ayun, nagbabayad kami ng government-mandated chuchu. And also, isa sa pinakamasakit is, meron din tayong tax or kitang-kita namin sa payslip natin yung nababawas na tax. So, ayan, I will limit this video for just an introduction. But as the time goes by, I will be sharing to you guys about my company, about my virtual assistant tips and journey that I can share to you guys para lahat tayo maging present sa lahat ng magiging ganap sa buhay ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kasi nga, work from home tayo. And mas magkakaroon tayo ng work from home balance. So, ayun lang guys. So, see you sa aking mga susunod pang vlogs.